of course, our beloved rosemary. I can't be in the garden and not talk about rosemary, right? Look at it. So beautiful, so beautiful, so fragrant. Oh, I love that smell. I just love it. Oh, so rosemary, we know, powerful healing medicinal plant, one of our main home remedies in our home wellness toolkit and for our self-care routines, but also rosemary has these really cool flowers. Look at these flowers. Oh my God, they're purple. So these flowers are totally edible. And they taste like rosemary. They're spicy, they're pungent, they're piquant, they're warming, circulatory stimulant. And you can just pick these flowers, put them in your water, put them in. I like rosemary on my salads. It just adds a little bit of a bite. So you just come along, you bring out a bowl, and you just pluck these flowers until you get a nice handful of them. And you put them in a little bowl on the table. And then you just have a little spoon in the bowl, and people can just serve up a little teaspoon of rosemary flowers. They can put it in your soup, your salad. They're really, really good on eggs and egg dishes and quiche and all kinds of egg dishes. You can put your rosemary flowers on. So they are really powerful healing herbs, just like the rest of the plant, but you just get this beautiful tiny little flower. So I just love the shape of this. Look at that. It's like, oh my God, I love that flower. And I love eating that color. I just love having that splash of color on my plate. And people enjoy this. I mean, when people have their food decorated with flowers, it's like, wow, it's special, you know? So here you have beautiful edible rosemary flowers.